Welcome to my channel. Things you might consider deleting from your life. To pave the way for success, it can be helpful to identify and eliminate certain habits, mindsets, and influences that may hold you back. Negative self talk. Replace self doubt and criticism with positive affirmations and encouraging thoughts. Your inner dialogue significantly influences your actions and confidence. Toxic relationships. Let go of relationships that drain your energy, undermine your self worth, or do not support your growth. Surround yourself with those who inspire and uplift you. Procrastination. Breaking the habit of putting things off can greatly enhance your productivity. Establish a structured schedule to keep yourself accountable. Fear of failure. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Eliminating the fear of making mistakes allows you to take risks and learn valuable lessons. Limiting beliefs. Challenge and remove beliefs that constrain your potential or discourage you from pursuing your dreams. Replace them with the growth mindset. Distractions. Identify distractions, whether they come from social media, television, or other sources, and minimize them to maintain focus on your goal. Comparing yourself to others. Instead of measuring your worth against others, focus on your unique path and celebrate your progress. Comparison can create unnecessary pressure and hinder your success. Negativity. Let go of negativity influences in media, environments, or conversation. Positivity fosters creativity and motivation. Clutter. Physical and mental clutter can create distractions. Organizing your space and simplifying your commitments can lead to greater clarity and focus. Unrealistic expectations. Set achievable and realistic goals that motivate you without causing stress. Ambitious expectation can lead to disappointment and burnout. Comfort zones. Challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone regularly. Growth often happens when you venture into unfamiliar territory. Resentment and grudges. Holding on to negative feeling can weigh you down. Practice forgiveness for your peace and clarity, freeing up emotional energy to pursue your goals. Overcommitment. Learn to say no to obligations that don't align with your goals or values. Prioritizing your commitments can lead to more focus and effectiveness. Excuses. Let go of justification for not pursuing your dreams. Take responsibility for your choices and actions to empower yourself. Fear of judgment. Do not let the fear of others' opinions dictate your actions. Focus on your value and aspiration instead. Perfectionism. Striving for perfection can hinder progress. Aim for excellence while accepting that mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. Lack of self-care. Neglecting your physical and mental well-being can impact your ability to succeed. Make time for self-care and prioritize your health. By consciously eliminating these elements, you can create a more conducive environment for personal and professional success. Remember, the journey to success is ongoing, and the changes you implement today can set the foundation for a fulfilling and successful future. Thank you.